Hello, I am JK, and I bring you the short news from Pattaya. The Region 2 Crime Suppression Division arrested members of an illegal loan shark gang connected to the notorious Shogun network, seizing loan documents and an unlicensed firearm during a raid in Chonburi province. Following the investigation, both suspects were handed over to the Sinsuk police station in Chonburi for prosecution. Mr. Samphan faces charges of illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition, operating an unlicensed personal loan business, and charging interest rates exceeding legal limits. Mr. Satayu was charged with participating in the unlicensed loan business and charging excessive interest rates. During the raid, authorities detained Mr. Samphan, alias Gao Janfram, 34, who identified himself as the homeowner, and Mr. Satayu, alias Yem Ruingrat, 19. The search uncovered loan-related documents, mobile phones, a computer used for managing the illegal lending business, and an unlicensed firearm with ammunition. Mr. Samphan admitted to purchasing the firearm for 64,000 baht from an unidentified acquaintance, but the weapon had not been legally registered. Dit was JK Pattaya News.